So we all know we shouldn't be relying just on eBay. We should be trying different marketplaces. Depop, Etsy, Facebook. I just sold this on Facebook. I'm going for a run to the unit because I've sold something else on Facebook. 2 sales in quick succession. Let's have a jog. Let's talk about it. Okay, so we know for far too long eBay has had the upper hand with the marketplace, selling used items, new items, and sometimes it doesn't always work out. 99 times out of 100 it probably goes smoothly, but the fees are going up. They're introducing more ways to get more money out of us, so promoted listings, shop fees, listing fees, transaction fees now, 30p per transaction on managed payments. So it's getting to the point, sometimes I'm not really sure how much I'm paying to sell my items. Do a rough estimate, but yeah, it's just creeping up and up and up. So what can we do about this? We've got places like Depop, specialise in fashion clothing, vintage clothing. Oh, sort of 16, 18, up to the age of 30. Obviously they have fees, flat 10% plus PayPal, and they're still growing in the community of buying and selling. I buy from there myself actually. It's built its reputation, but the sales aren't as strong as I'd like them to be. They've got places like Spock, no fees, can send your items out. That's more of a local type thing. You're not going to get the best money, things could sit there and the audience isn't as big. Etsy specialises in handmade and vintage. It's again limiting who's buying what, and that comes with fees. I've tried Etsy myself, very fiddly. There's a lot of filling out to do just to list an item, and obviously limited to vintage and handmade stuff, which I don't do most of, which leads us on to Facebook. Facebook currently has 2.7 billion users worldwide. Amazing. Let's compare that to eBay, the one that we go to all the time. 182 million users worldwide. Uncomparable really in numbers when you think about it. Even if we say half of Facebook profiles are spam robots, which I don't think is that many, that's still over 1 billion users worldwide. Just mind-boggling numbers. Couldn't find an exact number. This is from 2013, but apparently eBay UK has over 4 million UK sellers every month. So yeah, for a selling platform, 4 million a month just in the UK, that's very impressive. Obviously all them people are there to sell, to buy, so a very, very strong marketplace to sell on. But comparing that to Facebook numbers, again, Facebook just swallows it whole. And there's problems like eBay's been around for 20 plus years now. It is outdating sometimes, frustrating, and there's still people that don't really trust it. So people that aren't as tech savvy, might not be on eBay, don't trust eBay, but they're more than likely to have a Facebook account. And that's what I think I'm going to be focusing 2021 on, and that's Facebook Marketplace. This was a bad idea. So Facebook Marketplace has been around for quite a few years now, but still in its infancy, but I'm starting to notice small changes here and there that are making it better and better. And this is why this year I'm going to be tackling it, trying to get more sales, no fees, as this one wants to collect, open up to a massive audience. It's growing year on year. What's it, 40 million plus users in the UK. It's just a tab away for people to look at. So yeah, this is where I think eBay may have some stiff competition if Facebook play their cards right. Well, the new features I've noticed, like listing recently, you can offer delivery. So whereas before it was local, you'd have to put like externally, you can deliver if you really want. There is actually a tab you can tick, offers delivery. So if people are searching for certain things, it's not just their local area, they can search UK wide, and because you'll post it out, then they'll see your listing. So it's literally been maybe 3 or 4 weeks I've been testing the waters out, and I've sold maybe 4 or 5 things in them 3 or 4 weeks on Facebook. So no fees apart from PayPal. People want to pay securely, they trust PayPal, and PayPal take their small percentage, so take note of that. But Facebook themselves don't charge anything. You can boost your listing, so then you can pay and Facebook get a bit of money that way. I haven't done that, haven't needed to yet. And the reason why I'm out here is picking up an item that is being picked up today from Facebook. I'll get on to why I'm jogging a bit later on in the video. There is a reason. So I had to come here anyway, so might as well hit two birds with one stone, get what I need that's sold and drop off what I forgot to leave at the unit. But once we're in there, I'll show you what it is that's sold, what I picked it up for, all that normal stuff that I normally do. Hopefully persuade you to try Facebook. I'm back, I'm in the unit. I've caught my breath. That was a very bad idea, trying to run and film at the same time. So why am I in here? I've sold two things on Facebook. One that's going out as a parcel and one that's being picked up later this afternoon. And what's being picked up is just here. This is really cool. I really liked this. This owes me £3.50 from a charity shop. It's a My First Levi's starter kit. So 5-piece set, like t-shirt, jeans and that. 0 to 6 months old, brand new, in the box, really nice. Owes me, what did I just say, £3.50 from a charity shop. It's been on eBay for about a month now. I think it's done its first cycle at £30. Whacked it on Facebook, I think it was last week. It's been on there about a week on Facebook. And I've sold it, cash in hand, in person, hopefully picking it up today, £25. So that's the thing with Facebook. You might not get as high of a price, but there's no fees unless I'm sending it out and they paid with PayPal. Facebook themselves haven't taken anything from me. They're local, £25 in my hand, job done. And the other thing that has sold on Facebook, which I'm sending out, is a biker jacket. I think this was in a Whittam charity shop type video. I think this only owes me like £4 maybe, £6 at most. The best one from Whittam today, we've got this biker jacket for £6. Really nice thing. Again, it was on eBay for a lot longer than it was on Facebook. I was showing £60–70 on eBay. I sold it on Facebook for £55 plus £6 postage. So there you go. Again, not as high of a price, but again, eBay take their fees, and if I promoted it, and they take fees from the postage. So I'm probably going to end up with about that anyway. But this was less hassle. All I had to do was send him some measurements and he asked if I could deliver it. They paid me with PayPal, so just that bit of a PayPal fee. Obviously I'll send them tracked shipping. They've paid for shipping. I'm not getting fees on my shipping. So yeah, it's a win-win from here. There we go. Two sales that eBay didn't get me, which Facebook did, and I haven't got any fees to pay on them, which is awesome. Apart from PayPal, of course. A couple of other sales. I'll try and put a picture here, but there's these Dr. Martin boots, some around the corner. I think these were up at £50 on Facebook. They came round, they tried them on, like outside, of course, social distancing. They were too big for them. So that way I haven't wasted any of my money, because I could have sent it out to them on eBay. And I've got the transaction fee of 30p and my postage out there. But if they didn't fit, they can return them at their cost, but I still have to refund them for everything, and I've lost out postage. At least this way, they've came round, they've tried them on, too big, no problem. They didn't put any pressure on them. Yeah, just another benefit really of selling on Facebook, and that's why I am pushing it. Well, I'm going to push it very hard this year. One thing to note is Facebook and time wasters. This did sell on Facebook for 35. The Portaloo that I bought for a £5 from a boot sale. They said they were going to pick it up and said they're not messing me about. Twice they messed me about. Still here. Twice, 2 chances and you're out, I'm afraid. So that's the one thing. But then with that, obviously I've still got the sales. I'm making sales and getting inquiries. So every now and then there is a time waster, but the tip for this is don't make yourself go out of your way. So if they're going to pick up, make sure it's under your terms. So I'm making sure I'm here ready to put the item in my car when I get home from working in the unit. So then when I'm at home anyway. I'm not waiting around for them. Or if I'm at my unit, they can meet me at the unit. Obviously not come in here, meet me outside. But it has to be under your conditions, because if you're going to start like driving out somewhere or meet someone somewhere and they don't turn up, you're going to waste your time, petrol, effort. Yeah, that's not going to be any fun. So if you do a sale, make sure it's under your conditions, your times. That way you're minimizing time wasting to a minimum, but it does happen. Just take note of it. So I'm going to get this packed up now. I'm going to put this in my rucksack because they're picking this up later. I did run with a rucksack as well. It was empty, so it wasn't weighing me down. I haven't got that excuse for being out of breath while I was running. So yeah, I'll sort them out and then I'll get back home. While I am starting off the run again, I'll let you know why I am running. I haven't done it for years and years and years, but there is a reason, and this is why. Boom. Perfect. Like a glove. So, why am I jogging? Because it's time for a charity challenge. I thought I'm going to raise some money for charity again this year. Of course, I know I was supposed to do a skydive. That was over a year ago now, for hitting 2,500 subs, which seems crazy. We'll see. I did go, it got cancelled, and then the pandemic hit last year, and we're still in lockdown now, so I'm going to still do a skydive. I just don't know when, but I will complete that challenge. But back in July, I signed up to Chelmsford's first half marathon. Never done a marathon or half marathon. I'm 30 this year as well, so I thought, why not do it this year? The big 3-0, wanted to do some sort of marathon in my lifetime, so I thought half marathon would be a big enough challenge for now. It was due to take place start of March, so I had 10 weeks of training. Of course, it's been pushed back to October, thank God. So I've got plenty of time to be training. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been doing little updates on my journey, because my first run was shocking. I think I've barely done 2 miles and I nearly died. Tasted blood. It was horrible. I'm up to about 4 miles now. Nice and steady, not stopping or anything for breaks, apart from today where I've had to talk. So I was going to make an announcement and tell you what charities I'm racing for and put links down below. But because we've got to October, just a little heads up that this will be coming. I haven't chosen the charities yet. I'll probably choose 2 again. That's why I've been jogging on Instagram. That's why I'm jogging now. Woo. Let's raise some money for charities again. So stay tuned to the channel for updates on this. See how I'm getting on. And when I announce the charities I'm raising money for, I'll let you know, and then we can raise as much as possible. So once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.